Hi. Today I'll show you a construction site of Japanese wooden house. Come in. This is our carpenter. He's young, but he's already got 10 years experience. We are really proud of him, but he's a little shy. And at the moment he's putting a firing strip on the ceiling. Our house mainly consists of wood, like wooden pillar, floor, and diagonal brace, and beam. And every part of the wood joint, there are hardware like this. This makes a house structure stronger. Every part of the joint, there are different hardware. That's all. Next time I'll show you a construction of bathroom. See you.